In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect PDF with password. If you need to lock a PDF so only people with the right password can open it, this quick method is for you. We'll use the Protect PDF tool on Smallpdf, which works right in your web browser and doesn't require installing anything. Start by opening the Protect PDF tool on Smallpdf. Head to the Smallpdf website and find the Protect PDF option in the list of tools. The page is dedicated to securing documents and keeps the process simple, so you know you're in the right place when you see fields for adding a password. Next, upload or drag and drop your PDF file. You can click the upload button to browse your computer, or just drag the PDF from your desktop or folder straight into the window. Give it a moment to upload, especially if it's a large file. Make sure you're choosing the final version of your document. Once it's locked, anyone trying to open it will need the password every time. Now enter and confirm your password. This is the most important part. Choose a strong password that's hard to guess but easy for you to remember. Aim for a longer phrase with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal information like birthdays or simple sequences. Type it carefully, then re-enter it in the confirm field to make sure there are no typos. If you use a password manager, this is a great place to generate and store a secure password. Remember, if you forget the password, you won't be able to open the file later, so keep it safe. When you're ready, click Encrypt PDF. The tool will apply encryption to your document so that the password is required before anyone can view its contents. You'll see a brief processing step while the system secures the file. This protection is designed to deter unauthorized access, which is especially useful for contracts, reports, and any sensitive information you share. A couple of quick tips while this runs. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the upload and encryption finish smoothly, and double check that caps lock isn't on when you typed your password. Also be mindful of where you store the newly protected version so you don't mix it up with the original unsecured file. And that's it. You've protected your PDF with a password using Smallpdf. This straightforward workflow helps keep your documents private without complicated software. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you secure your files with confidence.